Welcome to Demo It. Today I wanted to show off the Sony Alpha series cameras and a few easy ways to get your customer excited. If you have somebody looking for a camera, unless it's a professional, there's a good chance they're intimidated. So the first thing you want to say is, let me show you something that's easy to use, shoots fast, and has the best autofocus. First things first, hand the camera to the customer. Say, turn it on, take a picture. Sometimes I say, pull this, press that. Most customers can get this done in about 10 seconds, and then once they actually take the shot, they'll get a lot more confidence. After they take that first shot, say, wasn't that easy? What if you want to show off the camera and you tell the customer, pull this, press that. Turn it on, take a picture. You encourage them, they try to take the shot, and nothing is happening. Well, what do we do now? It's very easy. Now I say, turn it on, go green. All you gotta do is find this auto button right here, and you're set to go. Now your camera is easy to operate for a first-time user. Boom, that easy. Next thing I like to tell people is, hold the shutter button down for a couple of seconds. See what happens. They press the shutter, and that is a lot of fun, and most people get excited right at that point. They get to hear the incredible Sony auto shooting speed. I promise you they've never heard a camera shoot that fast. I call this the lazy man demo. If you hold down the shutter for a couple of seconds, it'll catch their attention, even if it's somebody that's just walking by. This camera can shoot at 11 frames per second, so you literally never miss a moment. But what's the point of shooting fast if you can't get a clear image? Sony has the #1 autofocus system in the entire industry. Here's a good way to show that off. Take your left hand, put it in front of the camera, hold down the shutter halfway. Ask the customer, do you see the green boxes? Those are autofocus points. See how they follow my hand along? This is an easy way to demonstrate Sony's incredibly fast and accurate autofocus system. Sony cameras can photograph a subject very fast and find the subject even faster. But even better, they can find your eye, which is the sharpest point of the picture. If you have the eye constantly in focus, you'll have a lot of clear shots and much less of those blurry images everybody ends up erasing. So to recap, you just showed your customer the camera's easy to use, shoots fast, and takes perfectly clear pictures. And you did that all within about 2 minutes. Consider this, skills you learn on a camera like this, the lenses they buy, will actually work on just about any Sony Alpha camera, from crop sensor to full frame. And if you have a lightweight camera, you're more likely to actually take it with you and use it. Justifying your investment right there. Most people will feel much more comfortable at that point. Thank you so much for watching Demo It on the Sony Alpha series cameras. Thank you for listening.